Hi everyone. Today we're going to study Introduction to Cube Roots. Let's consider this question. If the volume of a cube is 125 cubic centimeters, what would be the length of each side? To get the length of the side of the cube, we need to know a number whose cube is 125. In this case, the number or length of the side is 5. This process is called finding the cube root. Finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. And this is the symbol for cube root. In our example a while ago, the operation we can write as cube root of 125. And the answer is 5. Let us see some cube roots of some perfect cube numbers. Let's begin with cube root of 1. This number 1 inside, we can show that this is 1 cube. And finally, the base or the number 1 is the answer here. So the cube root of 1 is 1. What about cube root of 8? Note that the number 8 we can represent as 2 cube. And in here, the number 2 or the base of the cube is the answer, which is number 2. So the cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27. The 27 is equal to 3 cube. And this number 3 is the answer. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64. The 64 we can write as 4 cube. And this number 4 is the answer. Cube root of 64 is 4. A while ago, we have the cube root of 125. This 125 we can write as 5 cube. And this number 5 is the answer. Next is the cube root of 216. 216 is equal to 6 cube. And in here, we can write the answer as 6. So the cube root of 216 equals 6. Cube root of 343. This 343 is equal to 7 cube. And the number 7 is the answer here. The cube root of 343 equals 7. Cube root of 512. This 512 is equal to 8 cube. To simplify this, we write now the number 8. So the cube root of 512 equals 8. Next is the cube root of 729. This 729 equals 9 cube. And this number 9 is the answer. So the cube root of 729 equals 9. Next is the cube root of 1000. The 1000 equals 10 cube. And this 10 or the base is the answer. So the cube root of 1000 equals 10.